Binh. The place is really nice. I feel like I should have stayed here for longer. It is raining tomorrow, but I'm gonna get on the boat tomorrow. A little rain should be fine. Right now I'm on a bicycle. I don't know where I'm going. I'm just following the road and hoping it takes me somewhere cool. So all of this like behind me seems to be like vegetation in the river, but you can see there's like a ton of plastic. Well, not just plastic, I guess like just rubbish, but mainly bin bags and like polystyrene stuff. There's little doggos everywhere as well though. It's also actually really jokes because everyone just keeps saying hello to me like they're locals. A bunch of random kids coming home from school, and then one smacked me on the arm, not on the face. I'd be a bit concerned otherwise. There was this old lady that, I don't know if she said hello, she was just like, wow, brown person. Yeah, there's just like nice rice fields everywhere. I think this is like someone's family farm. This is like the craziest path of the road. As long as I don't fall off the bike, it's fine. Yeah, it's kind of just like a random back road. Well, you can call it a road if you want. It's like some random back dirt track on my weird squeaky little bike. Don't know where it goes. Smoother ground. As long as it doesn't rain too much tomorrow, I'm gonna try and get my drone out and then maybe get like a little moped. Then I don't have to cycle everywhere. While cycling is good, these bikes are kind of trash. Oh, guys.